Paris with kids. It's a lot more doable and enjoyable than people think. Imagine starting your day at the magical world of Disneyland Paris. It's packed with attractions like Sleeping Beauty's castle, and it's all just a short train ride from the city. And after that, take your little explorers to the Musée de l'Orangerie to witness Monet's water lilies. The museum is small but manageable for kids and offers a perfect dose of culture without overwhelming them. Plus, under 18s enter free bonus. And want something interactive? The Cité des Sciences is your go-to spot with hands-on exhibits tailored for children. It's the largest science museum in Europe. Kids will love the planetarium if they're into stargazing, guaranteed to ignite little minds. A trip to Paris isn't complete without a visit to the Eiffel Tower, which seems unbelievably larger in person. Climbing or taking the elevator up will
thrill the kiddos.
The view is unforgettable and offers a backdrop for incredible family photos. For a tranquil escape, Jardin des Plantes is perfect. It showcases beautiful gardens and a small zoo, which is ideal for young ones needing a break from urban sightseeing. Plus, the Grand Gallery of Evolution is a hidden gem nearby. Hungry? Head over to Marché des Enfants Rouges. It's the oldest food market in Paris with a multitude of kid-friendly foods and snacks. That's pro tip. Grab a fresh crepe or falafel. They're always winners with little picky eaters. The Seine River offers boat tours that are both relaxing and educational. Companies like Café Musée are child-friendly and provide narration that both entertains and engages kids. Floating by famous landmarks is a peaceful way to see Paris. A more laid-back adventure includes the Parc de Buttes-Chaumont. This whimsical park includes waterfalls and bridges and an artificial grotto, a wonderland to ignite any child's imagination, perfect for picnics and letting the kids run free. Consider a day at the Jardin d'Acclimatation, an amusement park, and playground with lots of space to roam. It also features fun rides, a mini farm, and a puppet show that kids, an ideal spot to burn off energy. Let's talk about dining with kids. Café Musée d'Orsay combines culture with convenience. With art to gaze at combined with family-friendly meals, this cafe offers a perfect pit stop during an art-filled day. Yes, they even have crayon and paper for doodles. Lastly, don't miss a chance at the Montmartre's carousel at Sacré-Cœur. It's like stepping into being into a fairy tale. While the kids enjoy the carousel, you can relish in the bohemian vibes and perhaps grab a quick cafe creme. It's all about balance. For a little mystery, the Parc Astérix, a theme park inspired by the legendary French comic, writing on themed attractions set around characters like Asterix and Obelix. It's a colorful conclusion to a family-packed Paris adventure. And who said getting culture had to be dull,